guys, shout out to the airport for sponsoring the video. We are going to try these things, I guess. So, let's get started. I knew you were going to see me there. Alright. Alright, now let's get into the video. Okay, so I already tried one of them. So I know what one of them tastes like, but you know, that's all that matters. Like, alright, so you might be asking, how am I going to eat these things with mask on? You'll find out in a sec. Alright, so we're gonna just jump right in. So we gotta wait till Ron gets in here.
I'm here. Alright. Hello.
Jump. So we're either gonna try one of them. So we're gonna do the one that I tried first. I mean, he didn't try any of them, but it's like an apple kind of thing, I guess.
Okay.
So come in the video. Don't be shy. So this is what they look like. Open up mine.
Looks like we have apple. What do you think this one is?
Peach.
Peach?
And
Okay.
Alright, come in the video so we make sure we eat it.
Okay. Hello.
Okay, so
take one?
come in the video.
Where's mine?
Right here.
Okay.
So come in the video to me.
Okay. Put in my mouth.
No, I'm not putting it in the mouth.
Mm.
I'm not putting it in the mouth. Hold in the video. In the video.
Hello.
No.
My face all red for some reason.
Come on. In. Come on.
Oh.
Over here.
I don't
So.
know. Ah.
Uh-huh.
How does it go?
Alright, so guys.
I get about a 7.
I'm gonna give it about an 8.
Okay.
Alright, so. I'm a little worried for the next two. Next we're gonna try blueberry, so
Okay.
go ahead and open them. Eat it.
Well, give me a while.
I won't. You don't even have a retainer like I do. That took me barely. And shout out to Ruby Anderson for sponsoring the video because she missed the bus.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. And if you want to see her, go check out
How'd you get the Emmys then?
Keith's girlfriend. So go check that out. She's in the background. So blueberry. There you go.
Thank you.
Did you all swallow the other one?
Mm.
Ew. I don't want that one.
Yeah.
Do you?
Not really. You get about a 4.
Huh?
I'll give that one about a 4.
5.
Yeah.
I would spit it out, but I'm not going to. Ew. I'm in the video more.
Hi.
Ooh, a retainer.
You want your retainer? Okay, let's try the yellow one, which is
Last one
called
is-
peach.
Peach. Well, that's what it probably is. Well, this one's like a nice bright yellow. I'm not sure if it's bright on the camera. It's pretty bright on the
Yeah,
camera.
it's pretty bright.
Brighter on the camera than it is in real life. That's cool.
As soon as you're ready.
Okay. Man.
I definitely like the first one better than the second one.
Yeah.
So let's
for
try the
sure.
peach. Let's try peach now.
Hey. Hey. Way better than the first two.
Yeah.
Way better. It's good. It's definitely peach.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you take the peach for sure. You're stuck in your retainer? Yeah.
No.
I actually like that one better than the apple. How about you?
I said my favorite out of
Oh,
all of them.
okay. Go. I didn't hear you.
Guys,
Yeah, thank you.
what do you think will be your favorite?
I'll give it a 9.
Leave the comments in the comments.